Hi guys, Yanis here from SKAN Heating. We follow the fourth video from the boiler operational sequence. In this video, I would like to link a little bit what we found to the previous video, and we will go ahead later on. First of all, we have to make sure we have power to the boiler. When we confirm we have power to the boiler, then go to the next thing, which we have to confirm if we have demand either for central heating or hot water. Depends if the boiler is a combi boiler, then we have to make sure we received a signal for the flow rate sensor. If it's heating only or system boiler, we have to make sure if we received or the switch live power. Then depends what type of boiler we have. In some boilers, first fan runs and then the pump, or the other way around, first the pump and then the fans. Doesn't really matter. As soon as we confirm that the fans run, as soon as we confirm the pump run, and then their pressure switch or any other electronic means confirm that we have the correct flow of the air. Then we go to the very interesting topic, which is the power to the gas valve and ignition. Here guys, I make a little sketch. I'm not sure if it's the perfect, but anyway, it is what it is. And here we have the extractor fan, which takes actually the negative pressure. Let's make it slightly more sophisticated. Right. Let's do it a little bit more sophisticated. And here we have the gas valve and the spark generator. Let's start to speak separately for each of these components. The spark generator is a high voltage transformer. For those that are more familiar with the cars, on the cars we have a low voltage AC. We go to the spark generator before to the spark plug, and the low voltage became high voltage. And how that's happened, actually we have two coils, one with a small amount of windings and another one with a big amount of windings, and transform this from the low AC voltage to the high voltage AC to the output. And with that way we have the two generator spark probes here, and straight away sparks, and as long as the gas valve release the gas, then ignite the mixture of air and gas, and we have a flame. How that's happened with the gas valve? The gas valve, there are two types. The classic gas valve, which is actually take the AC 240 volts or less volts, and on off. It's like a little tap on off. In this case we have gas which switch it on and off. Or in more new models, the gas valve actually modulates, depends on the demand, slightly open or reduce the gas in order to change the gas mixture and the combustion products. It's very important here to say that when we have part of the gas valve, we have part of the ignition. Those things come together. If you have to forget anything else today, but you have to keep something, is that the gas valve comes the same time with the spark generator. And the same time the burner ignites and rectifies. Rectifies, we're not going to go back to the burner modulates, but just let you know there is another probe here. We will speak extensively in a second, which we call flame probe, and this one sends a signal to the PCB to say if we have flame or not. This flame sensor, which is the flame probe or the flame supervision device, it's just a little metal piece here with a cable which transfers information to the PCB. We will speak in a minute how that works, but I would like to repeat one more time. We make sure we have power, check the inlet power to the boiler, confirm the demand, check for the live switch if we have 240 volts. The fan runs or the pump runs, depends the model of the boiler. As soon as they are satisfied from the fan and run and the air pressure switch off or any other electronic means confirmed, then we go to the power to the gas valve in the ignition at the same time, and the burner ignites and rectifies. Let's speak to the next video about the flame rectification and modulation. See you in the next one.